here. Welcome to my empty apartment tour. As you can see, we've got a lot of stairs there. If you come right in afterwards, there is a bathroom. Pretty much looks like a bathroom.
This is hard. Hi guys. I'm using a gimbal.
He's using the gimbal. So you come right into the kitchen. These are the boxes we just unpacked, so usually these don't live here.
Yes.
Kitchen, so we've got our fridge, lots of counter space, lots of cabinets, and then it comes out in this big peninsula style, which leads you to the living room.
Da-da-da.
This is definitely like the biggest selling point of this place was like this. Yeah, so we already moved in some of our plants, so that's that. And then we have this awesome patio. Didn't want to give away where we live, so try to get shots of that don't even live across the street. So that's what the kitchen looks like in the living room, and then right here we've got these big closets. Just a huge closet for me to use. Fill it with whatever I want.
Absolutely massive closet.
And then if we come back this way, we have our first bedroom. So here she is, boys and gals. Just a simple bedroom. It's probably going to be like a hangout space, a little closet there. Gets the job done. Really big window, which is super awesome. And now we can go upstairs.
I'm really trying with these angles. Please don't make fun of me in
Take
editing.
a shot of this, and then
Do I?
okay, go upstairs.
This is so hard.
So as soon as we get upstairs, we got washer and dryer. Ooh, this makes a noise. I don't know what that's about. We'll have to figure that out.
Sorry about the mess over here. Is my my internet connection
You
set up?
didn't clean it up.
I didn't clean it up for the video. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. So we have this extra little living space that looks over the living room. So that is super cool. I don't know what's going to be here yet, but it's going to be the best time. This is the master bedroom. The light is on, but there's no light yet. So there's no light fixture in here, but basically a huge space. And then we've got this cute little nook.
Wow.
The lighting's probably really harsh. So I've got this little space, and then this is the closet. So big kind of walk-in closet. It's got a light, and then if you pan over here, there's this space. Incredible, amazing. Water heater, very important. Then we've got the master bath. It's like a bathroom, you know, like your standard kind of like bathroom, basically. It's got a tub. It's got a kissing.
It's got a toilet.
It's got a toilet. And then here is the coolest part about the master bedroom.
Oh, she just ran out of the shot. Where did she go? I don't. Oh, what is this? What? This can't work. Oh my goodness.
This is a cat bedroom. So when we get a cat, there's this tiny little crawl space in our bedroom that is just open, and it's meant for storage probably, but it's definitely going to be a tiny bedroom for a cat. Sorry if it's so dark in here, there's not a light yet.
It actually looks okay.
Well, I'm going to put some lights in here, and this cat's going to have a little alone space where it can be.
And where Ruby can crawl in and
I can
right.
also be. Okay. Yeah, big window again. Is that it?
That is it.
That is it. A little close space opener.
First apartment.
Yeah.
Third place.
Third place, but first place by ourselves. And we get both bedrooms, which is super cool. Yeah, when we get everything moved in, I will show you guys the rest and how we end up furnishing the whole place. But yeah, I just wanted to come and show you before we put anything in it, just what it looks like. I'll probably talk more about details if you guys want to know that stuff too. So this is a quick one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!